Right guys, today we'll be installing a diverter valve. So right now we've got a dump valve on. I'll do a sound test in a second. But yeah, so the diverter valve is going to add another like 10 horsepower. But I should feel the boost more. So let me just start it up. Cool, so now that you know the sound test, we're going to be uninstalling this buddy. So let's start off by, the engine's a bit hot now, but let's just see. That's tiny. It's like a hex screw. Taking it off, it's going to be flipping hot mate, but yeah, that's bare hot. But now we've got this. So now what I'm going to do is assemble this one here. So you get that, get the spring, slap it inside, and then get the red bit, and then that just goes inside there, like that, like a springy thing. And then, let's see how this goes. So I think it goes on like that. And like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this ain't going. What the hell? How the f? Okay, sorry about that guys. We literally dropped the flipping. We dropped. Where is it? We dropped those two into the engine, went all the way down there, so we had to jack up the car and get that shit out. So yeah, long day, but all this, you know, it's just how it is sometimes. Anyways, as we all move on, so we unscrewed this, unplugged that. You don't even need, some people they use a VW removal key. It's pointless mate, just pull that back. Don't pay the £10 or whatever the key. And then, so now you have this. Now, what you do is you take this bit out, it just twists out, and it comes out like that. So, what you have to do, just leave that to the side. You grab this bit here, and then you put this in there. So it's like a spring. So you should be able to press that. And then that should now, if I get this part here, I think this goes in there, and that in there, and that just sandwiches together, just like that. So now you've got, yeah, and it should be ready to screw in. But the thing is, I don't know whether this spring, oh yeah, so this spring you replace with that one there. So dust that spring out, you put the new stronger spring in, and now you should have a fully functioning diverter valve. So now we're going to install it on here. I'm going to put the screws in. It's a 3 screw layout, it comes with extended screws as well. Alright, so this should be the package here. I put in the screws in, and it's got the compressor. And now I'll just put this cable out of the way. I want none of these screws to fall down, so I should be a bit careful here. Alright, so guys, so we installed it after a lot of work, you know, jacking up the car for no reason, all of that. Finally got this installed, so it's a bit slimmer than the dump valve, which has just loads of holes in it. Instead, it actually uses the pressure instead of releasing it. The dump valve, you lose horsepower by installing that. This one, you gain horsepower, so we should feel a bit of a difference. I'm going to do a sound test right now. So the audio got cut out, but basically the car feels faster than the dump valve. So it even sounds better. So I'd say for sound and speed, it's just way better. Don't even bother getting the dump valve because it sounds good for a month. You get sick of it. Trust me, I've been through it. And yeah, it's just the overall good mod. But yeah, that's about it. I'm probably gonna do some more videos. I've got some rims to do. So video my rims and then my calipers as well, which is gonna have some kind of a unique mod to it. So yeah, look out for those. And yeah.